Happy Friday, an e-learning day today. Families and learners, today when you log into Kickstand, you have your dashboard. This is what our morning meeting um, badge looks like when you are in Kickstand. It should be on your learner's dashboard. Learners, you've been here before. You know what this looks like. I wrote a little bit of an introduction here, and then all the way down at the bottom here is building our school family, our Bitmoji Classroom. I added some things today to our Bitmoji Classroom. When you click here on my laptop, it will bring you to your to-do list for at-home learning today. Okay, there are several things, and then the tasks that you need to complete are highlighted in yellow. And they're all in Kickstand today. Okay, so when once you finish all those tasks, you are more than welcome to click here on our math binder, and our Prodigy class code is up on the bulletin board here. And then I put in Epic, and our class code for Epic is right also on the bulletin board. Okay. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful e-learning day Friday. I am going to be working on some instructional videos for writing and doing some planning for next week because we start student interest groups on Monday. If you have signed up for orchestra, that also begins on Monday and it will take place on Mondays and Wednesdays, I believe, during our student interest group. So the days that you do not have orchestra, you will be here in the classroom working on our student interest group. All right, have a great weekend and I will see you soon.